I will be making Grandma Marge's chocolate chip banana bread. Here we go. Today we will be using 3/4 cup of sugar, 2 cups of flour, a half a stick of butter, 3 ripe bananas, a cup of chocolate chips, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Don't forget to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. First, you're going to cream the butter and sugar together for 5 minutes. Before you pour into your pan, remember to grease it. You pour the mixture into your pan. Now you put it in the oven for 1 hour. And now you do the dishes. Now it looks like it's done. Now we have to test it. It looks like it's good. This is what your banana bread should look like when it finishes. Ripe eggs.